Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of Design and Analysis of Algorithms. In today's video, we'll begin with the new topic that is graphs. So let's begin. Now graph is a structure which is basically a collection of vertices and edges. So किसी भी ग्राफ को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हमारे पास दो मेथड्स होते हैं representing graphs. One is adjacency matrix and the other is adjacency list. So let's first understand what do we mean by adjacency matrix representation. So let's say अगर हमारे पास कोई ग्राफ है like this, this is vertex 1, this is vertex 2, vertex 3, vertex 4, let's take it vertex 5. So इस ग्राफ के लिए अगर हमें एडजेंसी मैट्रिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन बनानी है, so what we will do, जितने हमारे वर्टिसेस हैं उस साइज का हम एक 2 डायमेंशनल मैट्रिक्स बनाएंगे. So we have 5 vertices, so we will create a adjacency matrix which consists of 5 columns and 5 rows. So now how we will fill the entries of this matrix? जिन भी दो वर्टिसेस के बीच में एज होगा उसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे बाय 1 और जिन दो वर्टिसेस के बीच में एज नहीं होगा उनको हम रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे बाय 0. So 1 to 1 कोई एज है? नहीं है, there is no self loop. 1 to 2 कोई एज है? Yes, so we will represent it by 1. 1 to 3 कोई है? Yes. 1 to 4 कोई है? Yes. And 1 to 5 कोई है? Yes. So 1 is basically connected with all the vertices. 2 से 1 कोई एज है? Yes. 2 से 2 नहीं है. 2 से 3 है. 2 से 4 नहीं है and 2 से 5 भी नहीं है. 3 to 1 yes. 3 to 2 yes. 3 to 3 no. 3 to 4 yes. 3 to 5 no. 4 to 1 yes. 4 to 2 no. 4 to 3 yes. 4 to 4 no. 4 to 5 yes. 5 to 1 yes. 5 to 2 no. 5 to 3 no. 5 to 4 yes. And 5 to 5 no. So this is the adjacency matrix for this graph. अगर ये हमारा कोई वेटेड ग्राफ होता, लेट्स से ये जो वेट हमने हर एक एज के ऊपर नंबर लिख रहे हैं, दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द वेट एसोसिएटेड विद द एज. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस 1 and 0, उस केस में दिस नंबर विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय द वेट. नाउ ये एडजेंसी मैट्रिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन से जब हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, सो व्हाट एडवांटेजेस डू वी हैव? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस मैट्रिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज इजी टू इंप्लीमेंट. देन सेकेंडली, लेट्स से अगर हमें कोई एज जो है वो रिमूव करना है, लेट्स से अगर हमें ये 1 to 4 का जो एज है इसको रिमूव करना है, तो इसको रिमूव करने के लिए हमें मैट्रिक्स से सिर्फ इस एंट्री को 1 से रिप्लेस करना है विद अ 0. सो 1 to 4 वाली जो एंट्री होगी, 4 to 1 वाली, दिस इज ऑल्सो 0 एंड 1 वाली रो में भी दिस एंट्री इज नाउ 0. So basically removing any edge is easier because that will take constant amount of time. आपको सिर्फ constant amount of time लगेगा to replace these entries. So removing an edge is also easy. Similarly, अगर हमें query करना है कि किसी भी दो vertices के बीच में edge है या नहीं, let's say अगर हमें query करना है कि 1 और 3 के बीच में कोई edge exist करता है या नहीं करता, तो हमें क्या करना है? सिर्फ इस entry को corresponding entry को check करना है in this row, right? So if it is a 1, that means there is an edge. If it is a 0, that means there is no edge. So querying any edge also takes constant amount of time. Similarly, removing an edge also takes constant amount of time. So these are some of the advantages of the adjacency matrix. Now let's see what are the disadvantages. अब major disadvantage क्या है adjacency matrix की कि it occupies a lot of space, right? अब यहाँ पे तो हमारे पास एक smaller graph था जिसमें सिर्फ 5 vertices थे. Let's say अगर हमारे पास कोई network का graph है जिसमें हमारे पास बहुत सारी nodes हैं, let's say 100 nodes हैं या 1000 nodes हैं. In that case, this will take how much amount of space? 100 into 100 or 1000 into 1000. Right? So space complexity wise, this is very tedious to maintain. So one of the major disadvantages is that it takes order v square amount of space. Now the second method that we have to represent graph is through the adjacency list. Now what do we mean by adjacency list? Adjacency list is nothing but an array of linked list. So basically जो जितने भी हमारे vertices होते हैं ग्राफ के उतनी ही एंट्रीज होती है हमारी array में and each entry of the array वो correspond करता है to the vertices जो adjacent है to the given vertex. So let's take an example to understand this. Let's take the same graph जो हमने अभी देखा था for creating the adjacency matrix. Let's say this is vertex 1, this is 2, 3, 4 and 5. तो adjacency list बनाने के लिए first we will create an array. Let's create the array first which consists of the number of entries जितने हमारे vertices हैं. So we have 5 vertices. This is 1, this is vertex 2, this is vertex 3, vertex 4 and vertex 5. And ये represent कर रहा है the indexes of the array. Now vertex 1 के adjacent कौन कौन से vertices हैं? Vertex 1 के adjacent है 2, 3, 4 and 5. तो हम एक link list create करेंगे उन सारे vertices की जो 1 से adjacent है. So we have 2, we have 3, we have 4 and we have 5. 5 के बाद और कोई vertex नहीं है, so we create a null pointer. Then 2. 2 के adjacent कौन कौन है? 2 के adjacent है 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. 3 के adjacent 2, 1 and 4. 4 के adjacent 1, 3 and 5. And 5 के adjacent है 1 and 4. Now how many vertices do we have here? We have total 5 vertices. And how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So edges are 7. Now if I count the length of the linked list over here, what is the length of this linked list? First linked list, this is 4. Length of this linked list, this is 2. This linked list is 3. This is again 3 and this is 2. And what is the total of this? This is 6 plus 3, 9 plus 12 plus 2, 14. So this is nothing but the length of the linked list is nothing but twice the number of edges that we have in the graph, right? So we have 7 edges in the graph and the total length of the linked list is twice the number of edges which is equal to 14. So can we say that total length of list is equal to twice the number of edges. Now let's see how much space is required for the adjacency list. Adjacency matrix के लिए हमें total कितनी space की requirement थी? V square amount of space. Adjacency list में हमें first of all तो array चाहिए जिसकी length कितनी होगी? जितने number of हमारे vertices हैं. So array length is V plus जो linked list है उसकी कितनी length होगी? Total length of linked list is nothing but twice the number of edges. So can we say that the total amount of space requirement to adjacency list is V plus twice of E? Right? which is nothing but order b plus b. So basically adjacency list is more compact and takes less amount of space as compared to the adjacency matrix. Let's derive one more result. Now what do we mean by degree of a vertex? Degree of a vertex is the number of edges which are incident on it, right? Now अभी हमने adjacency list देखी है यहाँ पे. अगर हम ध्यान से देखें जो adjacency list है, हर एक adjacency list की जो भी length है that is nothing but equal to the degree of that vertex, right? So 1 पे कितने edges incident है? 1 पे 4 edges incident है, so the degree of first vertex is 4, right? And this is only the length of the adjacency list. Similarly, first vertex के लिए the length is 4. Second vertex के लिए the length is 2 and this is the degree of the second vertex. Third vertex की length is Third vertex के लिए the length is 3 and this is only the degree of the third vertex. So can we say that the length of the adjacency list is equal to the degree of the vertex? Degree of the vertex V. Now from this we derive one more result. अभी हमने क्या देखा है? That the total length of the adjacency list, total length of the adjacency list is equal to twice the number of edges. So can we say that length of the adjacency list is equal to degree of that vertex and total length of the adjacency list is equal to twice the number of edges. So total sum of the degree अगर हम करें of all the vertex that is also equal to twice the number of edges, right? So total degree, total sum of degree of all vertices is equal to twice the number of edges. So if I derive it mathematically, sum of the degree, so this capital N with the subscript V is denoting the degree of the vertex. Sum of the degree of all the vertices, जितने भी vertices हमारे पास हैं belonging to the vertex set capital V is equal to twice the number of edges. So this is the result that we derived. So this was all about introduction of graphs. In the next video, we'll begin with the graph traversals. If you like this video, then do like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.